Hello and welcome. You're listening to One India News and I'm Pooja Sachdeva. A statement has been passed by our Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and there are mixed reactions on whether he should have said this or not. While talking about fighting with terrorism in India in an event, he said that you have to neutralize terrorists through terrorist only. While giving an example of a Hindi saying, "Kaante ko kaanta hi nikal sakta hai," which means a thorn can be extracted only by a thorn, he added, why my soldier has to do it all the time? Why he has to sacrifice his life all the time? So basically he meant that we can use a terrorist against another terrorist, and actually if we analyze deeply, this can be a good method of eradicating terrorism from India. He said this government is different from the previous one because it has given the army a free hand to tackle terrorists through intelligence. Groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, Tehreek-e-Taliban, Al-Qaeda, ISIS, they are not united and this fact can be used against them. Terror groups keep a close watch on their enemies because they want a supremacy, so they keep all the information about each other which can be used against them. The biggest advantage is that one enemy is killing the other and India would not have to bear the cost. I think we can actually work on it. That's all we have in this edition. We'll be back with more updates on the same. For more, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, One India News. Take care.